Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you download and sign up for TikTok. To do so, open Play Store on your Android device, and if you are on iOS then open App Store on your device and search TikTok on the search box. Now on the top right you may see the option of install. Click on it and wait for it to get downloaded. Now on the top right you may see the option of open. Click on it. Agree to the terms and condition. Now choose your interest like comedy, beauty and style, food, drama, etc. Or you can simply skip by clicking on the skip button. Now swipe up and click on start watching to watch the video. Now simply click on the profile icon on the bottom right. There you may see the option of sign up. Click on it. Now you can simply sign up by using your mail, Facebook, Google or Twitter. Use a mail, enter your date of birth, click on next to continue. Enter your phone number, or you can sign up by mail using your email address. Now enter the verification code sent by TikTok on a device. Now drag the puzzle into the place to verify it's a person, not a robot. Now enter the code enter the code sent by TikTok and press on continue. And that's it. You have successfully signed up for your TikTok account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't